Coming to WIC shops today. Y'all already know what's going on in the government. So I had to come and get my free WIC, baby. I can't leave it in the store because they might cut us off. So let's go shopping. So we get $21 of fruits and vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little cilantro because that's my favorite. Get some collards, some kale, and some cilantro. I got some of that. Let's see, some spots on that one. We can't just be throwing them in the bag, you know what I'm saying? They gotta look good. Half of these got brown spots on them. I'm gonna be picking through them. Trying to find the right batch. Okay, let me get my greens. I got sweet potato already. Why are these cucumbers $1? I don't know if I want to get cucumbers. They shouldn't be $1. They should not be $1. But the cabbage look real good. We're gonna grab a cabbage. That's beautiful. Okay, y'all, so we really just came in here to get the WIC. So I got a couple of fruits and vegetables. Well, I ain't getting no fruit, but I got some vegetables and onions. The next stop is the juice. Let's go. Okay, so when you in the store and you got your WIC, you looking for the specific sign that say WIC. See, look, it say WICable. Berry blend. Apple juice. WICable. We get 2 of these. So I'm gonna get another flavor. Apple raspberry. WICable. Okay. When it's not WICable, it's gonna be like a regular little sign like this. Okay? And then when it is WICable, it's gonna say this right here. And these are for the people who don't use WIC, you know? This one is gluten-free. Okay, so my camera was trying to go blurry on me. Can y'all see that? It say WICable. See? Gluten-free. So you can get cranberry, we can get berry blend, and then what this right here say? Grape juice, WICable. Okay? Now when it's not WICable, ain't no WICable thing on there. Okay? So let's go get the cereal, because I already got 2 things of juice. 2 things of juice. Got my cabbage. We got some greens, some cilantro, and onions. Now let's go and get the cereal. so I can show y'all how to pick the cereal. When it say Wickable, you're gonna see how to pick the cereal for Wick. I used to be ashamed that I get Wick, but you know, it's so hard out here for a pimp, child. You gotta get every resource you can get. Yeah. So let's see what the Wickable cereal look like. So my kids, they are used to Wick cereal. Sometimes they don't need all that dang on sugar, especially if you got an ADHD baby. They don't need no whole bunch of sugar in their cereal. See, it say Wickable, gluten-free. We're gonna get 2 of these. You get 36 ounces on Wick. So 18 times 2 is 36. So you get 2 boxes of these. And my kids, they don't complain about that, okay? So the next thing we're gonna get is the eggs, the milk, the bread. And then I think we have a little bit more money on our fruits and vegetables. We can get something at the frozen section. Okay? So when you're picking your bread, you only get a 16 ounce. And normally we try to get the Sara Lee 16 ounce. But look, it's all gone. You see that? It's all gone. You see? So what is the next best choice? So we're gonna come down here, we're gonna see what else we can get. Oh, whole grain wheat, Wickable. That's good. What else? White is Wickable. And I thought they had another one down there that was Wickable. Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and get this wheat bread right here. My kids do not complain. But this is gonna be a 16 ounce, see? And we get 2 of them. 2 of them. Now let's go get our eggs, milk, cheese. Oh, I think I forgot the beans and the peanut butter. I did. I forgot the beans and the peanut butter. I'm gonna have to go back and get my beans and peanut butter. And then the vegetables this way. So we love corn. Let's see, mixed vegetables. You see how I say Wickable on there? And these the ones I normally get. Don't say Wickable. It should say Wickable because it's an off-brand. I don't understand what's up with that. But we gonna get the ones that say Wickable. So I found the other bag of corn that say Wickable. It's a smaller bag, but we gonna get what we can get, okay? 3 of them. And get 2 green beans. I'm looking for the corn on the cob that's possibly Wickable. Maybe. Maybe not. No, the corn on the cob don't say Wickable. And it's okay, you know. So let's go and get the milk, the eggs, the cheese. Oh, I need some creamer because I am a coffee drinker. And ain't got no brain. And you know, without the coffee, you can't even talk to people, child. So if you got a baby who is underweight or who don't eat a whole lot, you can request your doctor to write you a vitamin D prescription for your WIC. He will write it and they will give it to you. I requested vitamin D milk for my baby because she does not like to eat a whole lot of food. And we're trying to get her to grow. So I don't want the one that say November 11th. I want the one that say November 14th. It needs to be the latest date so it can last a little longer. And we get three gallons. Any little bit helps. Okay, now we're gonna get some cheese. Oh, we get yogurt too, I forgot. Okay. My baby would be very upset if I left her yogurt. Let's get the yogurt. See? Say wickable. She loves frozen, so we're getting frozen. Alright. Now we gotta get cheese. Eggs. Let's see. Eggs. Oh, my back ain't built for this. There's something on that egg I don't want though. All right. Got our eggs and cheese. Let's see. Where is the cheese? Where's the cheese? All right, we get to the cheese. Now you can get, you see that? You can get the shredded cheese for tacos and stuff. Not all kinds, but some of it is wickable. See, Sargento is wickable. Sargento, who else is wickable? Let me see. I'm looking at Dutch Farms, the nerve of them. Oh, some of it is wickable. See at the bottom, it say wickable. The glare does not really help me out at all. So yeah, Sargento offer wickable. If you like Sargento cheese, you can come get you some wick. Now, this is the wickable cheese right here. It's Kraft. Y'all see it's $7 if I ain't got no wick, right? Okay. And then some beans and the peanut butter. That's what we forgot. Okay, beans should be down this aisle. Yeah, it's like rice and beans up there. Okay. I'm in the right aisle. I'm in the right aisle. Oh, pinto beans. Okay. Black beans. Oh, baby lima beans. We eat those. Okay. 15 bean soup. The nerve. It's not with it. See that? The nerve of them. So we gonna get some lima beans. We eat them. Okay, excuse me. Sorry. So then we gotta get the peanut butter. Peanut butter. Okay, I gotta find the peanut butter. I am still looking for the peanut butter, y'all. Reading is fundamental. But it wasn't even on the sign. I don't see it. So it must be in that last aisle next to the dang on bread. Excuse me. Hello. Hello. Hi. Where's your peanut butter? Peanut butter.
Deli 130. Deli 130.
With the bread. That's what I said. Thank you. Okay, y'all. Let's go hunt for the peanut butter. We on a hunt for this week. Free food. Everybody need it. You better go sign up. You better go sign up. Cause yeah, we was in the aisle already. Okay, totally walked past it. So here we go. We got creamy Skippy. I mean, it's getting horrible every time I zoom in. Okay, so we want creamy. I don't really do the chunks of peanuts because I got babies, so that's not good. All right, so let me check the list. I'll be right back. All right, here we go. Can you do the cream separate for me?
I beg your pardon?
Can you do the creamer separate for me?
Bring it up.
Separate.
Oh.
Thanks.
Mm-hmm. $73.09.
Okay, y'all, we made it out the dang on store, child. Sign up for WIC. Free food, free food. Everybody needs free food.